It is officially my favorite time of the day. I'm back in my Icy Bitch office, so we're gonna design some jewelry. On today's jewelry agenda, we're going to be designing a cross for me that's both edgy and elegant. I have no idea what the design is gonna look like. I don't really have anything in mind. So let's see where my mind takes me. I have my iPad behind me and my PC behind me, ready to build the sketch and the 3D model and get it into production. Before we do that, we're gonna be designing smarter. We're gonna utilize AI to expand my design before I bring it into production and invest money, time, all of this on one design, so I can see different options, maybe things that I missed out on, or different options for a shape for the cross. So let's get into it. We're gonna go from sketch to 3D model to final product. I'm super excited, and let's get into the sketch. Before we get into it, check out my ring stack for today. It is literally stunning. This icy ring I designed for my birthday this year because my initials are icy, so I will make another video about the entire process of designing that. Let's get into the design. We are starting out in Procreate on my iPad to sketch this design. Drawing out this cross will help me determine what tools I need in the next step to get the look that I want. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you some of the AI generated images I have from Midjourney for this concept. I didn't find anything that I fell in love with, but it was really nice to see some options. Now that I've finished the sketch, I'm going to go into one of my favorite tools in the entire world, Blender. So in Blender, we're going to be starting to build the 3D model and sculpting the detail into the base of the cross to really bring it to life. I honestly didn't know how to tackle this at first, so of course I asked ChatGPT to help me. And something I'm trying to work on is making my prompts better so that I can get a more detailed response tailored exactly to what I want. So this is AI helping me build this cross efficiently in a lot of detail. As I'm sculpting this, I know that my next concern is actually producing this design so I can wear it. So here I am asking AI how to make my model better for production as I'm building it. And once I have the shape that I want, it's time to add a chain and add texture to the cross so that I can make an animation out of it. I use Midjourney to generate a seamless texture for the face of the diamond, which is super helpful before rendering. And now it's ready. Here I am wearing the cross. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I am going to show you the sketch, the 3D model, and the final piece next to each other so you can see how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for more.